of having more than 2 defective in a sample of 100 items. Okay, this is the one. Check. Basically, whatever we are learning the mathematics, this is to be applied only. Mathematics for mathematics sake, we are not studying. This is already applicable mathematics. It is applied in quality control. In quality control, the items are produced in a factory, and the defectiveness or correctness cannot be checked for each one. But that's why what they do a sample, and from that sample they try to generate the quality control. So this is such question here. Now, first one, solution. First, n you try to write it as 100. And what is P? What is P? Success of item being defective, that is 2%. 2% means 2 by 100. Then you recollect lambda is equal to NP. N value we know already. So that is 100 into 2 by 100, which is equal to 2. Once the lambda has come, we can find out anything we want. You want probability of x more than 2, x greater than 2. More than or equal to, no, it is not asked. More than 2. More than 2 means probability of x is greater than 2. This is the thing which you want. Now try to understand one thing. If you are calculating more than 2, you will start from 2 and go to 100. So 2 to 100, 3 to 100 are to be calculated. 3 to 100 are how many? 100 minus 3 plus 1. So 98 cases you have to calculate. Instead of calculating 98 cases, it is better to go by the complementary event. What is the complementary event? 1 minus probability of x is equal to 0. The complementary event should not be included in the original event, plus probability of x equal to 1 plus probability of x is equal to 2. Check. If 2 is included here, it is not included in the complementary event. So 1 minus e power minus 2, which will come out common for everything, e power minus 2. This is the formula which I am calculating. In this, e power minus lambda is a constant thing here, because lambda is equal to 2 you are going to put. Lambda is equal to 2. E power minus 2. Lambda power r. First 2 power 0 by 0 factorial plus 2 power 1 by 1 factorial. Then 2 power 2 by 1 factorial. How much is that? By 2 factorial here. Not 1. So total, this is how much it is going to give you, 4. So let us calculate this. 1 by 1 by e square. This is 1 plus 2 plus again that is going to be 2 square by 2. 1, 2. So total 5 by e square. So answer is 1 minus 5 by e square. This is x greater than 2. In a sample of 100 items, 2 or more items are greater than defective. This is the probability. That concludes the problem. Now we are taking up question number 4. Question number 4. This is also previously asked in IP. If x is a random variable, following Poisson distribution with parameter. What is the parameter? Recollect, parameter is nothing but this lambda. The entire thing of the Poisson distribution is known if lambda is known. With parameter lambda 3 by 2. With parameter lambda 3 by 2. Find probability of x greater than 2 given e power minus 3 by 2 is equal to 0.2231. 0.2231. Now, whenever such data, numerical data is given, e power minus 3 by 2 is 0.2231. What the examiner is expecting from you is you simplify the expression and arrive at a decimal answer, a real answer. You should not leave your answer in terms of e power minus 3 by 2 because already e power minus 3 by 2 value they are providing. So this is an indication. Indication for what? Indication for you to simplify the final answer. Okay. Now, solution. List lambda Poisson distribution with the parameter lambda is 3 by 2. Now, so what is the probability of x is equal to r successes? Recollect lambda power r by r factorial into e power minus lambda. So you want probability of x greater than 2. X greater than 2. So what is x greater than 2? Nothing but 1 minus probability of x is equal to 0 plus probability of x is equal to 1 plus probability of x is equal to 2. Check. Recollect. You have to, when you are finding out x greater than 2, you are supposed to find what? You are supposed to find from 2, 3 onwards. Up to where we should find, we don't know. That's why we are going to find this via what we call the complementary method. So what is the complementary method? X greater than 2 means 0, 1, 2 are added and subtracted from 1. So 1 minus e power minus 3 by 2, which comes everywhere in these three, taken out. So 0 power, 2 power 0, what is the lambda? 3 by 2. So 3 by 2 power 0 by 0 factorial plus 3 by 2 power 1 by 1 factorial plus 3 by 2 power 2 by 2 factorial. Okay. So now we have to simplify these expressions. So 1 minus e power minus 3 by 2 into 3 by 2 power 0 which is 1, 3 by 2 by 1 factorial which is 3 by 2, 3 square 9, 2 square 4 by 2, so 9 by 8. Okay. Now simplification. So 1 minus e power minus 3 by 2. So the LCM is 8 and what you are going to get here? 8 plus 12, 20, 20 plus 9, 29 by 8. 29 by 8. So 1 minus this here, if this particular thing is not given, you can leave your answer here. But here what happened? They are specifically mentioning e power minus 3 by 2. So what is our idea? Our idea is you have to substitute this e power value and simplify further. So I will substitute e power 0.2231 into 29 by 8. Now when this 8 is divided by this and multiplied by 29 and subtracted from 1, you are going to get 0.1913. Check this. This simplification I am not elaboratively showing here, taking 0.2231 and dividing by 8. I am not elaboratively showing because this is a very elementary and you can do. 8 divided by this multiplied by 29, result subtracted from 1. This is 0.1913. With this we conclude what is this Poisson distribution. So with this Poisson distribution we also conclude the topic what is called probability. Again I repeat, the probability topic containing 22 marks. Among 22 marks, 2 7 marks, 1 4 mark and 2 2 marks. Total 22 marks. With this lecture, the probability topic is exhaustively entirely covered.
ఇది ఇవాల్టి ఎపిసోడ్. గత 4 రోజులుగా ప్రాబబిలిటీ టాపిక్ కి సంబంధించిన ఇంపార్టెంట్ థీరమ్స్ గురించి తెలుసుకున్నాం కదా. మరి పేపర్ 2Aలో అవుట్ ఆఫ్ 60 మార్క్స్ గాను 22 మార్క్స్ వచ్చే అవకాశం ఉన్న ఈ టాపిక్ మీద మీకు పూర్తి అవగాహన వచ్చిందని మేము ఆశిస్తున్నాం. మరి ఈ టాపిక్ మీద మీకు 100% మార్కులు రావాలని KABTV ఆశిస్తుంది. సో ఇది ప్రాబబిలిటీ టాపిక్ గురించి ప్రొఫెసర్ ఎంవి చంద్రశేఖర్ గారు అందించిన వివరాలు. తిరిగి రేపటి ఎపిసోడ్లో మరొక కొత్త టాపిక్తో మీ ముందుంటాం. ఇక ఈ కార్యక్రమంపై మీ అభిప్రాయాలను, సలహాలను, సూచనలను, సందేహాలను eclasses@KABTV.net కు పంపగలరు. అంతవరకు కీప్ వాచింగ్ KABTV.